So I smashed my hammer so hard to make this at this forge that my hammer did break. And I noticed after my head froze so many times this winter that it gave me a great amount of strength that I was able to etch into this stone some markings with a simple branch. And so I picked up some great amount of energy from freezing my head and strength to make this. I will show you what I was making. I've been smashing this down to make a Druid's knife. You see, it is actually being formed, but it takes a lot of great effort to cold steel forge an item such as this. I found this iron bar on the side of the road, and I've just been whacking at it with my hammer, and I will continue to do this until it creates a sort of knife shape, and that will be my Druid's knife for serving my own purpose. So I smash it against rocks, and finding things on the side of the road is great as you're just wandering around doing your own thing, and you can find a great deal of treasures anywhere, especially after winter in the city. And also, I've been going to the local dump sites and just kind of window shopping at what I can collect and gather for creating things such as this. With this threat of COVID-19, I hope everyone is doing their own thing to fight the anxiety and the fear that comes with such a pandemic. I hope you can find other ways to occupy your time and your own psyche, and do your part to help those in need. Keep fighting, and will the gods be in your favor for this episode we are facing. And stay tuned for my next video. It will be on what I have been doing to occupy my own mind, as well as providing support for those that I meet, and for as well as the earth, the planet we reside on, and myself as well. So stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.